My name is Anthony, and on behalf of my co-authors, Khalid, Christian, Mohammed, Ali, and Fabio, I will be presenting a summary of our tool, tsDetect. tsDetect is an open-source test smells detection tool. As a command line tool, tsDetect can run as a standalone executable to analyze JUnit-based test files for the existence of test smells. The tool reports an average F-score of 96.5% in smell detection. At present, tsDetect can detect 19 different smell types. We designed tsDetect in such a way to easily facilitate the addition of new smell types. Each smell is implemented and runs independently of other smells, and the detection strategy of each smell type is self-contained within its own module. On completion, the results are saved into a CSV file. Developers can integrate tsDetect into their development toolset and workflow, such as the build process. tsDetect has also been utilized in quite a few research studies around test smells, including integrating tsDetect into other systems, maintainability, evolution, and refactoring studies. Educators can also use tsDetect in a classroom environment to teach students about the importance of designing high-quality and maintenance-friendly test suites. For more details about our tool and research into test smells, please visit our website testsmells.github.io. Thank you.